Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to change work hours using the calendar management feature. Right-click on a date and select Change Calendar to open the calendar management interface. This is where we can modify work hours, set the number of operators, and mark holidays for one or multiple Work Center modules. At the top of the interface, you can select the Work Center modules you want to apply the changes to. In this scenario, we are going to change the work hours of all three modules to 12 hours every Wednesday, between August 29th and September 29th. During this time period, all three modules will run for 12 hours on each Wednesday. Once the changes are made, click Apply, wait for the success message, and then close the pop-up window. The updated dates will be highlighted in purple. Clicking on any of these dates will display the number of hours the modules are scheduled to run on that day. Now we are going to change the number of operators for a Work Center module for a specific week. Make sure you select the correct module, though the tool will automatically select the relevant Work Center module for you. Since we are applying changes for every day of the week, untick Wednesday to ensure it's not excluded. Choose the appropriate date range. Enter the desired number of operators. Ensure that the selected option is Operators. Select all days of the week, and once you're done, click Apply. The updated dates will be highlighted in lime green. Clicking on any of these dates will display the number of operators scheduled to work on that module for the selected day. Now, let's mark September 30th as a holiday for the Work Center modules. To do this, simply right-click in a module and select Change Calendar option. Now, select module that you want to set a holiday, then click on the right green arrow. Make sure the option Holiday is selected. Once everything is set, click Apply. The holiday will be reflected on the calendar and displayed in red. This concludes the process of modifying work hours through the calendar in Opteze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials.